It is my last full day in Jamaica and I am not ready to go. Jamaica is just the food, the people, the vibes, the ocean. Oh my God, the pools. It has been an incredible little mini getaway and I'm so grateful for it. But my hair, my hair is feeling quite dry right now. I'm sure my hair is like, can we stop with the daily ocean dips and chlorine and I hear you. So we're gonna do a little moisturizing session this morning before I head out to basically go to the pool. I think I'm gonna actually go to the beach. And this is how much I have left in my bottle. So I still have a good amount. This will probably last me for today. I haven't had to use my concentrate yet, which I have here. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my travel kit video that I made just before I came here where I showed you all the supplies that I brought with me. So I'm just gonna give my hair a little moisturizing this morning and head out. Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Latoya and welcome. This channel is all about travel, locs, and lifestyle design. So if you're into any of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. These videos I'm making are a part of a trip that I'm taking, some of my summer travels, where I'm showing you how I take care of my hair while I'm basically putting it through a whole lot with everyday swimming. I really like this resort. It is the biggest resort I've ever stayed at. And so that part, I'm not like a big resort person. That's pretty clear to me on this trip. Like, I don't like having to walk, I don't know, like 20 minutes to get to the other side of the resort. That's not really like my vibe. I like a smaller resort. But other than the fact that it's a big resort, this resort is great. I love it. The staff are wonderful. The amenities are great. And I'm on the luxury side, but I have access to the grand side, which is where the kids are. To be honest, I've been spending most of my time on my side because I don't want to hear screaming kids. But yeah, loving it so far. I am definitely gonna make a video of the resort, comparing the sides and just showing you what this resort's like if you're interested in booking. And I'll give you like a tour of my room and all that. So I'm just gonna moisturize, and then I found this little part on the beach that I love, and I've been there every day. I was there yesterday just meditating, throwing all of my problems into the ocean, letting them wash away. But yeah, this trip has just been amazing. And again, I will show you that section of the beach in my tour video. Okay, so my bottle is done. And just because my hair does feel dry, I'm gonna get some coconut oil in here. And again, my coconut oil is still solid. How is this possible? And it's 31 degrees, like right now, and it's 10. It is hot in Jamaica. This sun is not playing. So I've been wearing my sunscreen, especially on my tattoos, but this sun is no joke. I don't know if you can hear the cleaning people in the hallway, but they are loud. They are loud. They're sweet, but from 8 o'clock in the morning, you can hear them out there. That very Jamaican way that I love. But, I get that not everybody would love that. I went out for dinner last night to the steakhouse and I ate too much. It's a Brazilian steakhouse. This morning, my stomach was a little bit upset with me because I did go a little overboard yesterday, but that meat was so delicious. I have booked, so I booked 5 nights here at this hotel, and I have dinner reservations for 4 nights. And I have to say, the restaurants have been pretty good. Last night was maybe one of my favorites. I ate so much, so obviously it was good. There was so many different kinds of meats that they brought out. Really nice pieces of beef and sausage. It was really nice. Okay, so my hair is feeling less straw-like now. And this will be my last day of exposing it to any kind of chlorine or salt water, because I'm heading back to Toronto tomorrow, and then on Friday I am heading on my mommy-daughter trip. We're heading to London, so definitely my hair will get a break then. I think somewhere before I leave for London, I'm going to try to do a nice twist out so that I have a nice big hair in London. And just leave my hair alone in London, let it recover. Because of course there are things that I could be doing to better protect my hair. As I said, I have a swim cap for Locs. It's like an extra big one, but I don't really want to wear a swim cap when I'm lounging at the pool and then I decide to get in. I'm not gonna fight my hair to put on a swim cap. That's just not what I want to do on vacation. So I don't. I could also wear a hat to protect from sun damage. And I honestly think if I were here for more than 5 days, I would wear my hat. But because it's a short trip, I'm like, I think I'm just gonna go with it and then just do the recovery like I've said before. Can't forget my scalp. Okay, lovely people, so that is it for me this morning. I'm gonna head out and enjoy the rest of my day, the rest of my stay, and my final day on the beach and here in Jamaica. So I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna continue making some videos in London if I can. If there's anything to talk about, we'll see. But if there is stuff to talk about, I'll continue with my hair and travel series in London. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.